might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide.
I've been waiting all night.
Gamba is doing this.
Hello.
Grandma is backing Micah. Because he has been so playful and fussy all day. All day. So let him sleep. You rest in the name of Jesus. Oh yeah, sleep. Sleep, sir. Again enough here. Only you. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Love you. I love you, my golden boy. That beautiful nickname that your dad has given you. I love it. My golden boy. My sugar boy. We are sleepy, yeah? Morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, dear Micah. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, dear Micah. Good morning to you. How are you, my darling? How are you, my sunshine? How are you? Did you have a good night? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep good? Good morning, my baby boy, my golden boy, my sugar boy. Good morning, my sweet sunshine. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep good? Did you sleep good? Oh, you're so cute. Your sister is still asleep on the bed. She's still sleeping and you're awake already. Akara for breakfast. Akara for breakfast. This one is just happy because I'm going to eat akara. Sweet golden brown akara.
Yeah, sweet golden brown.
Sweet golden brown akara. You're excited. Nice. Nice. Yummy. One loves akara so much. See. I say President General among the nations. President General among the nations. I salute you. President General among the nations. President General among the nations. President. I say President General among the nations. President General among the nations. I salute you. I salute you, Papa. Papa, I salute you. Why are you not smiling now? Are you angry? Papa, I say President General among the nations. Papa, see your thighs, my goodness. President General among the nations. Papa, President, Afana. I say President General among the nations. Hi. President General among the nations. Are you gonna fall though? Hey! Oh my God! Did you fall? Did you fall down? Did you fall down? Oh my goodness. Yes. Really? Yes. Really?
Hello, guys. Today,
Mia?
mm,
Mia.
yes,
So what are we going to do today?
relax my hair
Texlax your hair, yes.
and yours too.
And mine too, right? Okay. Well, maybe, because mine is like, my hair is overdue. The last time I put any relaxer on this hair was 3 months ago at this point. But yeah, guys, today is the day. Like, you guys, Mia's hair. I think I've had enough. I've had enough at this point. I used to say then when I had Mia, like when she was born and all of that, I used to say I wouldn't like texturize her hair or texlax her hair, whatever I want to call it. I wouldn't do that until she's 5 years old. And so far I stuck to that plan, irrespective of how difficult caring for her hair has been in the last 5 years plus. I still stuck to that plan. Mia is 5 years and 6 months now, so she's 5.5. She'll be 6 in another 6 months. So it's like, it's now or never, because school resumes next week. Mia took out her braids 3 days ago, and I got reminded of the fact that once her hair is not in any kind of protective styling, like once her hair is not braided, it's not plaited, her hair looks like, I don't know, like sponge. I'll pack this hair now before an hour or two. The hair has, I don't know, like the hair has what do they call that thing?
The hair.
Not stretched. When it has collapsed, like not collapsed. You guys know what I mean. When it's not stretched out, like when it's Mia will make her hair today for school. For instance, I'll take her to the salon. They'll give her a good wash, blow dry it out. While blow drying it will stretch out and everything, and they will place her hair. In 3-4 days, Mia's hair is looking as if she made the hair 1 month ago. Like even these her braids got old so quick because of the texture of her hair. I'm not very familiar with natural hair and terminologies and all of that, but I should think her hair is 4C. I should think her hair is 4C hair. Like this is Mia's hair in its rawest form. I have never put anything on her hair since she was born. I never even cut her hair. Like that normal thing people normally cut their baby girl's hair after like the first year or second year. I never did that. Her hair just leveled up on its own, and she has very nice, cute, healthy hair. Healthy, proper Afro kinky hair, like in its rawest form. And at this point, it's getting so hard to manage. It hurts her when we are combing, when we are washing, blow drying. It hurts her. Her scalp like goes through a lot of trauma. While we're trying to manipulate the hair. And at this point I'm just like, you know what, I think it's time. Like it is time to change the texture of her hair. The time has come. Like it's 1 week to when school resumes, and Mia will not start a new session, a new grade level with with this hair, because
I'm going to grade 1.
You're going to grade 1. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, very excited. So you're going to a new grade. You have to go into your new grade with a new look. Obviously, when it comes to children's hair, I can't just take her to just anywhere, like any salon. So I'm taking her to a tried and trusted salon that has worked on her hair before and all of that. They are good with children's hair as well. And yeah, I still definitely am a bit finicky because it's the first time she's gonna have any kind of chemical aside shampoo and conditioner touch her hair. So it has to be like in the hands of the best person, or rather the best people, the best salon, basically. So yeah, we're going there. We're going to be using I don't know what they call this relaxer kit. I mean texlaxer kit. I mean texturizer kit. I love you. We're going to be using this, I think they told me they'll be using this just for you. I think it's from Soft and Beautiful, I think. I'm not sure. They have it in the salons. When we get there, we'll see what it looks like. But I think I've seen them use it for kids before. That is basically what we are going to do today. So this is basically her hair after I have even brushed it this morning. Look at that. Yeah. So if I didn't brush it this morning, if you guys had seen when this girl woke up, if you had seen this hair when she woke up from sleep this morning, so anywho, basically that is what we're going to do today. So let's head out. You're yawning. I think I'm also going to retouch my hair because I've not retouched my hair in like 3 months. So yeah, and please guys, this is not the video. Like, please, I beg of you, please, before you write that comment, this is not the video to comment about how chemicals are bad for the children's hair, how I should allow my child to relax her hair when she grows up, how because there's always that one person. There's always that one person that wants to type such things in the comments. Please, I'm begging you, this is not the video. This is not the video to tell me don't do it. I've already done it. At this point, if you're watching this video, we have already done it. So please, let's not do that. Please, let's not. This is not the video for that. Let's not do that. Please, thank you, and God bless you. Like, you're not living with me. You're not the one taking care of her hair, and you're not the one going through the pain that she's going through with this hair. So please, let's not talk about how chemicals are going to finish her hair, are going to my mother has healthy relaxed hair. My younger sister Wendy has healthy relaxed hair. A lot of people have healthy relaxed or retouched or relaxed hair. Yeah, basically that is it. So before you write that comment, please help me, help my head. Don't do that. Anyway, let's go.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar jag. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Det kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå. Ser det som ett allt, det är dig jag vill wifa. De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me please. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me please. Du lägger till, du är där för mig. Jag svär mitt liv kretsar runt dig baby. Du bär på mina bebeks och allt när jag visionerar vår framtid. Låt mig hålla dig baby, hey, yeah. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om mig ändå. Jag vet det bara ta din tid. Jag vet det bara life om mig ändå. Stay with me. Jag vet det bara life om mig ändå. Jag vet det bara ta din tid. Jag vet det bara life om mig ändå. Stay with me. Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar jag. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda dig baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan.
Yanga is too much. Yanga is too much. Haba. Put it on low heat. How for you, Mimi? Haba. Take it easy now. It's small. Haba.
Our hair is long more than mommy's hair.
More than yes, so mommy's hair is letting walk where you're going.
Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda dig baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig.
I'm jealous, so look at that. Oh my god. Oh, so pretty.
Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me please. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me please. Du lägger till, du är där för mig. Jag svär mitt liv kretsar runt dig baby. Du bär på mina bebek så